Are you looking for the best luggage pieces? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best luggage pieces on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Spinner. Frequent flyers will love this ultra-lightweight, hard-side carry-on from Samsonite. We can attest to this. We recently retested this bag in our lab to see if we loved it as much as we did 2 years ago when we first tried it out. During both tests, it exceeded all of our expectations. Even when fully packed, it's a breeze to hoist over your head on flights. Built with 4 360-degree spinner wheels, it stands out for how effortlessly it glides over everything from carpet to curbs, easily navigating road bumps and smoothly transitioning from 2 to 4 wheels. It also held up well to all of our durability tests, showing no signs of damage after we threw it off a table and hit it with a baseball bat on both occasions. While there aren't any smart features, there are plenty of handy extras like a recessed TSA-approved lock, compression straps, a small zippered pouch to store your delicates, and a 1-inch expander. While there's already ample space to fit a week's worth of clothing in the zippered compartment, the expander is primarily excellent for freeing up some extra space for souvenirs. You can scoop this bag up in an array of vibrant jewel tones or neutrals and can even opt to make it a set with the addition of a 28-inch checked bag. It's really just a reliable little suitcase, T+L editor Taylor Fox says. The details. Carry-on 23 by 15 by 10 inches, 6.5 pounds, 34-liter capacity, expandable polypro, 4 dual spinner wheels. Number 2. Delsey Chatet Air 2.0 Carry-On Spinner. Light packers, look no further than this compact suitcase from Delsey. The iconic French brand is known for its lightweight and ultra-durable suitcases, and this carry-on is another excellent example. It's ideal for weekend getaways or business trips, as it includes a USB port and is packed with organizational features to help keep your belongings in their proper place. On one side, there's a zippered compartment which we found to be perfect for storing mid-weight jackets and a few pairs of shoes. The other half of the suitcase features compression straps, which worked well to help maximize packing space. We loved how easy it was to stay organized using this suitcase. There's a mesh zippered pocket for separating delicates, a laundry and a shoe bag, and a discreet pocket hidden in the lining, which makes for a great place to store currency if you're not using a hotel safe. We also love the antimicrobial lining, which helps to reduce any lingering odors. While the price tag may seem steep given that this is a smaller bag, it's a tribute to Delsey's legacy of standing by its luxury pieces. The brand offers a 10-year limited warranty. The details. Carry-on 21.75 by 13.75 by 10 inches, 6.4 pounds, 38-liter capacity, USB port, polycarbonate, 4 dual spinner wheels. Number 3. Briggs & Riley Extra Large Trunk Spinner. If you need a large checked bag that's up to the challenge of keeping your things safe, it'll be hard to find an option better than this one from Briggs & Riley. This substantial trunk is the largest on this list and was dubbed an absolute monster during testing in a good way. For its 123.9-liter capacity and 32.5-inch height. We were able to fit our entire packing list easily and felt like we could fit it again 4 times over if needed, making this a great option for people who are going on long trips or packing for a family. This bag has an 80/20 lid that opens to reveal 2 deep compartments with compression panels and zippered pockets. The polycarbonate hard-side shell did dent when we hit it with a baseball bat during testing, but we still feel like this bag is more than strong enough to protect your things during travel. We were a little worried about navigating this bag due to its size, but we found it surprisingly easy to wheel around even when packed full. The bag itself only weighs about 10 pounds when empty, which leaves you lots of wiggle room to pack within your airline's allotted weight limit, although the massive interior of the bag can make it difficult to do this. Overall, we were impressed with the size and maneuverability of this bag, and we think it's an excellent option for anyone who needs a lot of space in their checked luggage. The details. Checked suitcase 32.5 by 16.5 by 15.5 inches, 10.4 pounds, 123.9-liter capacity, Macrolon polycarbonate, 4 dual spinner wheels. Number 4. Cotopaxi Allpa 35L Travel Pack. It's a tall order to find a backpack that can replace your carry-on bag, but the Cotopaxi Allpa 35L Travel Pack is up to the challenge. This bag opens like a suitcase, so it's easy to pack like 1, 2, It has a relatively unstructured style, but we found this useful for squishing things into every last bit of space. There are several zippered pockets and compartments for organization and help keep everything in its place. It also has a designated laptop pocket that can hold devices up to 15 inches. The shell of this backpack is made from TPU-coated nylon and comes with a rain cover to ensure your belongings stay dry. It's easy to lift at any angle, thanks to handles on all 4 sides. The back is padded and comfortable for extended periods of wear and has a waist belt for additional support while traveling. We think this is a fantastic bag for replacing your carry-on if you're comfortable packing light and don't want to wheel a suitcase around. The details: carry-on 22 by 12 by 10 inches, 2.94 pounds, 35-liter capacity, recycled 840D TPU-coated nylon, recycled 840 denier ballistic ripstop nylon, recycled ripstop polyester lining. Number 5. Patagonia Black Hole 40L Duffel Bag. Looking for a duffel that can function as either a carry-on or personal item? How about one that also converts into a carry-on backpack for versatile carrying options? If so, you'll love Patagonia's Black Hole Duffel as much as we do. It boasts a 40-liter capacity and a spacious pocket under the lid, as well as external zippered compartments for easy access to travel essentials like your passport and boarding pass. The rugged ripstop fabric is thick to the touch and didn't scratch or scuff in the slightest during our durability testing. Outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate that this lightweight duffel is ready to take on any adventure thanks to its extremely water-resistant construction. Plus, it's made from eco-friendly recycled materials. Best of all, it collapses down into a small inner pocket for easy, convenient storage in between trips. The details: carry-on 19.7 by 12.5 by 8.5 inches, 2.06 pounds, 40-liter capacity, recycled polyester ripstop with a recycled TPU film laminate.